Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our web development project. Okay, so still on the footer side, we would want to add an icon to the footer side. Okay, when I tried this, okay, it worked for me, but I don't know why it's not working here for me. As when I mouse over this, okay, the color isn't changing. Now let's see what we can do. But first, let's work on the icon here. So I'm going to my HTML, my VS Code. Okay, so in my VS Code, just here, okay, the opening tag of the footer, I'm going to type img, that's the image. Then let's give it a class of logo. Then I can give it a source slc. So the source images / okay, remember it's in our images folder, and then we want the icon here. So icon, and then I can give it an alt, just type logo. Then let's close it here. Okay, so you can see we have it here, but that's not what we want. So I can just copy this. It looks too small or too small because it's trying to work within the code that I've given in the CSS. Okay, so I'll take this out, Control V, and then let me give it a width of let's use 6 em, and the height 2 of 6 em. Okay, so that's quite okay. So next we want to work on this link. Like when we mouse over, we want the colors to change. Okay, so let's work on this. When we mouse over, I want the color to change. So we're going to do li, and then colon hover. Then we'll set color to gold. So let's mouse over and see. Okay, yeah, so that's what we want. Okay, so this is our final code. And this is our final project. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and then see you. Think I'll prepare a video on the responsive side in another lesson. Thank you.